Hello there, YouTuber. So today we are going to unbox the JVC KW-V520 Bluetooth. It's a head unit with 7-inch LCD monitor. Now this unit bought locally from Lazada, Malaysia. So this guy might not available in some countries. However, let's do the unboxing anyway. So let's begin. So basically, this is what we get in the box. We have Bluetooth microphones bundled together with this head unit. Now this unit support hands-free calling. Therefore, the Bluetooth microphone is provided for you to answer certain calls or do certain voice command. And there's a manual and warranty card, so on. So there's the warranty card, multi-language manual, and then we have the this is a OEM steering remote, possibly Toyota versions. Okay, so this one will be plugged into the head unit. This one will go to the Toyota wiring harness. So this thing is actually, this is pretty good. This is very time saving for certain installer. This is a JVC Toyota ready. So what it does, it is plugged directly into your Toyota OEM radio, so you don't need to cut any wires to do certain amount of installation, like cutting the internal plugin, which I don't recommend you to do that, because it causes you a lot of trouble to figure out which goes to which, and it's not the installation will be messy. So here is a power continue. This one goes to your power amplifier to send on-off signal. And this one mute, not sure what it does, never used it before. And then we have the remote control. Alright, it's a JVC remote control. And we have around 6 screws. Now this screw is for securing the head unit to your dash. We recommend you to use the supplied screw, because the one that you might buy externally might not fit to this unit or may damage this unit. So we recommend you to use this screw, the provided one. This is the recommended by the manufacturer anyway. So this is the parking brake cable extension. So this one goes to your parking switch. Okay, so this is the unit itself. Actually, it's very gorgeous. So you have eject button here. I don't know what it is. I didn't power it on. And function, sort of mic logo, home, and volume button, and attenuate. Alright, so let's see what we have on the back. So on the back we have USB cable. Okay, so we have the parking brake switch. Okay, so reverse, this one is for your backup cam. It sends positive power to your parking cam. All right, so here we have the wiring harness, the speakers, and the power, which this goes to inside here. So this one is actually navigation unit, external navigation unit, because this unit doesn't come with GPS system, so it plugs to external navigation unit. And this one is the OEM steering remote. Just now, this is the cable, this guy, it goes to here. All right, so we have 2 video. One is output, one is input. One is for your backup cam, the other one is to output the video signal from this unit. All right, now we have 3 audio output. One of them is the front and rear, and the other one is the sub output. Also we have antenna. All right, we have also microphone for the Bluetooth microphone, and the iPod AV in, which hardly been used nowadays. Okay, so that's all for the JVC. Okay, now this JVC actually unit is very good, because for its price you get lots of features which not every brand offer you. Even JVC is one brand with Kenwood, But Kenwood, when you in the range of 800 ringgit to 900 ringgit Malaysia, you better go to JVC, because it offers you a lot of optimization in terms of sound quality. It have 13 band EQ, a Bluetooth function, 7-inch screen, all right, and the designs look cool. That's it. If you go to Kenwood, it's recommended when the price reaching 1,900 ringgit. So once the price is reaching there, it's preferable you choose Kenwood than JVC. I'm not sure why they did that. I think possibly because of the marketing strategy. So both of them not comes to bankruptcy. So user will have time to select which price and what they did. But for me personally, for price below 1,500, you choose JVC. It comes with many features, lot of customization and stuff compared to Kenwood, Pioneer and stuff. Pioneer, I think, offer you only around 3 bands for that kind of price. And Sony, the maximum Sony offer you is 10 band. While Kenwood come to 13 band when the price up to 1,500. If I don't miss, you can Google that. But definitely JVC is the best option when you go lower, when you come to on a budget. So yeah, they give me also this Bluetooth speaker complimentary from JVC. Is JVC Kenwood complimentary, but the sound is not that high quality, but I can say it's a free one, so I have no comment on it. But yeah, that's all for the JVC today. I will show you the audio quality later during the installation day. Alright guys, see you, thanks, goodbye. If you have any comment, just put the comment below and push the like button if you think this was helpful. Alright, okay, bye. Before I end up this video, this always happen on my video channel, I'm not sure why. I just want to share you one tips if you want to disable the parking sensor, because it's unable you to view the video unless you pull up your handbrake system. So it's very much annoying, because you only can watch video when the car is in parking mode or during the car is parking. But now the problem is with that is sometimes you want to watch video while the car is moving. Of course, it's not recommended by any safety rules, but what you have to do, very simple, you don't need to cut this guy. You only take this one, join it to here, then this wire just connect to the chassis, to the ground unit of this radio. You can possibly tap the wire and screw it here or whatever. Now that one will bypass the parking sensor, so it enables the video mode. Whenever you go, you parking or the car is driving, it just go. Okay, so that's it. No need to buy any external parking bypass, which is a scam. It does what it does, but you can do it for free. Just connect it to the ground. That's it.